Hey you guys, it is me, Laura from scrapsoфencouragement.com, and today I am here with a simple Stamping Monday card. Today I actually have two cards for you because I couldn't decide between these two. I thought they were both so cute, so I thought I would share them both with you. I am using the Animal Outing stamp set. It's hard to show you the whole thing the way I have this, but I want you to be able to see what I'm working on. So I have the Animal Outing stamp set, and I am showing you two cards that will work great for Valentine's. You can use them for a ton of other things too, but today I am stamping on note card bases. So these are 3.5 by 5 inches, and you can get these with the envelopes from the catalog. You can make them yourself, whatever, but they're a little bit smaller, which I think is perfect for Valentine's. So for this first card, all you are going to need is your stamp set, your note card. You will need Smoky Slate or similar ink, Old Olive or a similar ink, and Early Espresso or a similar ink. I don't have the Early Espresso ink pad, so I'm using my ink spot today. And to get started on this card, we are going to flip it that way, and we are going to start with this fun guy. I love him and his little bird friend. They are just adorable. And they make me smile. This whole stamp set just makes, the whole thing makes me smile. So we're gonna stamp him down in this far corner here. Just stamp him really well. And, oh, my phone is talking to me. Okay, there we go. And then we are going to use this sentiment here that says "Wild About You," and we're gonna ink this up in Old Olive. Old Olive ink here, and we're gonna stamp this guy right about here. And then in this stamp set there's this little thing. It looks like it's not much, but let me tell you, I've been having so much fun with this stamp. You can use it to make borders, you can use it to do all kinds of things. But right now what we're gonna do is we are going to put it on the top and flip this around. The bottom of our sentiment, and there you go. That is our cute little card. Isn't it adorable? I love it. Now I'm noticing here that I used a different green in the card that I was playing with before. I used Pear Pizzazz here, so you could do that too, and they're both really cute. Okay, so the next one, because I've got two. This one is going to use the same stamp set, same size card base, and we are going to use the Early Espresso ink, and we are going to use Crushed Curry ink, and that is it. Just two inks for this one. We are going to use this fun guy right here. So we're going to ink him up. And I'm going to stamp him so that his neck comes off the paper. Can you see what I'm doing? So I don't want any of this part on the paper, so I'm just going to line him up down here. And then I'm going to do the same thing again, only I'm going to put him here. And they don't have to be the same angle. You can kind of mix it up if you want. And then this little sentiment says, "Together we make a great pair." And I thought that was just perfect with these two little drafts. So much fun. So then you're just gonna stick this sentiment right here, and you're done. And that is so cute, isn't it? I love it. So stinking cute. This is such a fun stamp set, and there are so many cute things that you can do with it. I'm having fun. I'm just starting to play with it. There's so many ideas, but these two cards are so quick, so simple, it's so easy to do, and they're just a lot of fun. So I hope you have fun with these, and to see more ideas of what you can do with these stamp sets and for tips and tricks, feel free to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and make sure to subscribe on YouTube so you don't miss any of these great videos. And I hope that you guys are having a great day, and I hope you find joy in creating as you spread kindness and encouragement with your scraps of paper. Talk to you later. Bye.